Please go to the eFind URL first, https://efind.ump.edu.my. Next, click the Advanced Search button. Unlike simple search, advanced search allows users to search based on the desired combination of information. A keyword is a specific word or phrase that is used to identify and retrieve information from a database, search engine, or catalog. In the context of searching, keywords help refine and focus the search results by targeting specific topics or items related to the user's query. In the context of information retrieval and cataloging, a subject refers to the main topic or theme of a work, such as a book, article, or document. Subjects help categorize and organize materials, making it easier for users to find relevant items based on specific topics or areas of interest. Title typically refers to the name or heading of a particular resource, such as a book, article, DVD, or any other type of material in the library's catalog. Author refers to the person or entity responsible for creating the content of the resource. This could be a writer, editor, illustrator, director, or any other individual or group who contributed to the creation of the material. Publisher refers to the organization or entity that is responsible for producing and distributing a resource, such as a book, journal, or other materials. The publisher is typically the company or organization that prints, distributes, and markets the resource to libraries, bookstores, or other outlets. Publisher location refers to the geographical location, city or region where the publisher is based or where the resource was published. ISBN stands for International Standard Book Number. It is a unique identifier assigned to books and other printed materials to simplify their identification, cataloging, and distribution. Barcode refers to a unique identifier assigned to an individual library item, such as a book, DVD, or other resources, that is used for tracking and managing the item within the library system. You can use this combination of search criteria to make an accurate search. You can also choose to search based on one or more item types in your search. You can also set the duration of the publication date of the material you are looking for. You can also choose a specific language limit in your search. You can search for books based on Gambang or Pekin campus. You can sort your search results according to the desired options. Finally, when the search button is pressed, you will find the results of your search on a result page like this.